Happy Friday, everyone. I wanted to take a quick minute to show you guys this cool looking thing. This is a capo. And if I'm being honest, it reminds me of a tiny alligator. Anyway, a capo is a clamp fastened across all the strings of a fretted instrument to raise their tuning by a chosen amount. Okay, so all that means is that you can take this little guy and clamp him on the neck of your guitar, just like that, and it raises the pitch of your playing. It makes your playing higher. So now we know what to do with this thing, and we've heard a little bit about how it works. But I want to show you guys a capo in action. One of my favorite songs to sing is called Walking on Sunshine by Katrina and the Waves. But it's a little bit too low for my voice in the key I like to play it in. Give it a listen. Walking on sunshine, whoa, walking on sunshine, whoa, and don't it feel good, hey, oh, right now, don't it feel good. So, not the best. It's a little bit hard to hear me, but let's go ahead and try it with the capo and see what happens. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frets up. I'm walking on sunshine, whoa, I'm walking on sunshine, whoa, and don't it feel good, hey, oh, right now, and don't it feel good. So much better, right? This little guy just made the song 100 times better in a matter of seconds. What can I say? Capos rock.